Hi, I'm Brian. I'm from the United States. I'm a second-year master's student in water science and management, and my background is in environmental science and geology. So far in the water science and management program, I find that it's been really useful and a nice blend between the scientific and societal aspects, between the science and the management. So personally, as my background is all technical, it's given me a more holistic view of management practices worldwide. Yeah, my favorite experience so far has been the transdisciplinary case study because it gave us a chance to work with a professional client and students from different backgrounds. So while I was working with fellow WSM students, I was also working with sustainable development students, and it gave us a much better idea of what to expect in the real world and a sense of global water crisis. For my master's thesis, I'm going to be working with a model developed by the university called PCR Globe, and I'm working to look at the industry sector of that component, and it assesses global water usage. And I'll be looking to identify the energy and manufacturing components and separate them to determine the water quantity and water quality aspects. Yeah, after completing the WSM program, I really enjoy doing research, particularly in the geomorphology field, so I would like to continue doing research in some capacity afterwards, and I feel like the program set me up well for that. Right. I feel like WSM is an essential program because it gives you a blend between the scientific and societal impacts of water science. So you can get an understanding of both what is happening but also why it's important. And I think that helps us better understand where we need to address issues.
Hi, my name is Johanna, I'm Dutch, and I studied environmental engineering in Finland before coming to Utrecht. And now I've been studying water science and management for the last year and a half. My favorite course or my favorite courses were the water and sanitation class, in which we learned about basically about the water quality in the engineering aspect. And the second course I really liked or really enjoyed is the land surface hydrology, which focus on how the water moves along the surface of the earth. I think compared to other programs and what I've heard from other students, that WSM program has a very great integration from foreign students and Dutch students. And I also think that the integration between students who have studied at Utrecht before and students who came afterwards or have come from a different university created a really good atmosphere, and they get along really well. So I really like this exchange of different types of students from different backgrounds. The subject of my master thesis is about the Legionnaires disease in the drinking water in the Netherlands, and is part of the BTU on research of the 12 drinking water companies in the Netherlands. After my master, after graduation, I would like to work in developing countries, and I have had some experience in this before. And therefore I also started working at the DSS in the Netherlands, and therefore I hope afterwards to work at the German GIZ in Nepal, and the water science management program prepared me well for this opportunity. I believe that the water science management program touches upon various disciplines to the world of water, and therefore I believe it's an important aspect to maintaining the society.
Are you interested in working on the water-related challenges of today?
Are you interested in the scientific analysis and the societal application of the water system?
Are you interested in working in a broad field together with a motivated and enthusiastic group of students? Then this is the program for you.